Hi students, today I am going to explain about BFS and TFS. What are those? Those are elementary operations, elementary graph operations. What else? What it is? So BFS, breadth first search, DFS, depth first search. These two are traversal techniques used in graph. Okay, these two are traversal techniques used in a graph. What is traversal? You know that to visit or to traverse an element. You can take like a vertex or an element or a node, no problem. If you want to traverse from or to visit from one node to one node, you have to take any technique. Now I am explaining two techniques, breadth first search and depth first search. These two are the traversal techniques used in graph. To explain these two, I am taking one simple example. This is example. Okay. So you can take any example, no problem. So first, how to traverse by using depth first search and how to traverse by using depth first search. For these two understanding, these two are main points to visit a node. You have to remember these 2 points. What are those? Visiting a vertex. Steps. First step is visiting a vertex and second step is exploration of vertex. By using these two steps, traversal will be happen. Okay. Now, in BFS, which means that breadth first search. Breadth first search. In BFS, very simple. Actually, first I am going to write the answer. Breadth first search means in background Q is used as a data structure, and see, the rule is first visit a vertex. Okay, visiting a vertex and explore them. Explore the connected vertices. What are the connected vertices? First, by seeing this example, visit. I want you take any vertex at first, no problem. There is no rule in this. You can take any node at beginning. Okay, I am taking one as a root node. Okay, so that I am visiting at first one. Alright, and immediately explore the vertex. After exploring, what are the connected vertices? 5, 1 to 4, 4 and 1 to 2, right? Okay, so I am exploring the vertices, which means that I visited 5, 4, 2 also. And next, coming to next exploring vertex. Okay, you can go for this, no problem. You can go for this, no problem, or you can go for this. Okay, first if you go this, 5 is exploring any vertices? No, so it is completed. And if you go for this exploring vertex of 1, is there any exploring vertices? No. Okay. Next, if you take 2, understand? If you take 2, this connected vertex is again explore. Again exploring another vertices. What are those? 2 to 7, 7 and 2 to 6, 6 and 2 to 3. Okay. This is BFS. Traversing technique of breadth first search in graph. Okay, no problem. You can take if 5 is a root node. Understand? 5. And next, exploring 1 only. And next, after 1 explores 4, 2, 4, 2. And next 2, 7, 6, 3. Or you can write, no problem. If at first 1, you can take any order. So 1, 2, 4, 5. Next, an exploration is here. 2 already completed. So after 2, 7, 6, 3. You can take any order, no problem. But what is the rule in BFS? The rule is, if you go any vertex and explore it completely, okay, and again if you go for that exploring vertex, then explore it completely. That is the rule in BFS. Okay, now you see the DFS. DFS. In DFS means depth first search. In this, okay, if we take here also root node 1, okay, 1. And next, what are the exploring vertices? 5, 4, 2, whatever, right? You can take any one. I am taking 2. Okay, 1 explores 5, 4, 2, but you can take any one, not explore others. If you visited one, immediately visit the exploring vertex. So 1, 2. Here don't take 5, 4. Suspend it. Next. So first I visited 1 and 1 visited exploring vertex 2, and immediately 2 is connected with this. You can take any one only. So I am taking 3. Okay. If explores 2, so this connected vertex is 3, right? So I am taking 3. Okay. 1 I visited. So the connected vertex of 1 is 2. I visited. The connected vertex of 2 is, I am taking only 1, 3. Depthly I am going the connected vertices. 3. After 3, any exploring vertices? No. Come back. Right? Come back. Okay. Now 2. Come back. After come back, 2 connected with anyone? Yes. 6. You go for 6. After 6, it is exploring anything? No. Come back. Okay. After come back, 2 exploring any other vertices? Yes. 7. Write 7. Okay. Is 7 exploring any other vertices? No. Come back. After come back, all completed, right? 2 exploration of vertices are all completed. Then again come back. After 1, 2 is completed. Next, any other connected or exploring vertices? Yes. Okay. I am taking 4. 4 is explores any other vertices? No. Come back. And any other connected vertices or exploring vertices? Yes. 5. Write 5. 5 explores anything? No. Like this. So BFS means like a level order. DFS means like a pre-order. Understand? Pre-order process. Okay. This is about BFS and DFS. I am taking another example. Okay. The rules are, first explore a vertex and go to next vertex in BFS. First go to one vertex. Explore it. All explore vertices and go to then only next vertex in BFS. But whereas in DFS, go to the vertex deep and explore. Then only first go to vertex at deep. Then only explore. Okay. Next, I am taking another example, guys. For example, if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, it is a tree, right? So tree also a graph. 7. So BF is like a level order. You see that? Okay. So BFS, tell me the answer immediately. 1. Okay. I am taking 1 as at first. You take any other, no problem. Immediately write the exploring vertices 2, 3 and explore any other 2 or 3, no problem. I am taking 2. 2 explores 4, 5, right? So next, any other exploration? No. And next 3. 3 already written. So which means that I visited 3. If 3 explores 6, 7 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's like a level order, right? Okay, next. In DFS. Okay, if you take here also 1. 1 explores 2, but you go any one, take any one. So, if I take 2, write 2. And what are the, it explores again 2 vertices, 4 and 5. You take any one only, 4. Okay, so any exploration is there? No. At depth, we see the vertex in order and go back. No any other explorating vertices, go back. So after, to any other vertex exploration, 5. Go back, 2. Go back, 1. It explores 3. And next, 6. Any other? No. So go back. Next, 7. Like this, DFS, we'll see. It's like pre-order. Okay. Now, I'm taking some difficult example. Okay. To understand completely. Take this example. Okay, right? So by this example, where I am taking another example to explain BFS and DFS. Right. So I am writing. So for BFS, okay. So this is, I am writing here the result. First I am taking the BFS. Right. So in this, in background, we use Q operation. So you know what is Q? First in, first out. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Alright. Q operation. Alright. Okay. First, you take any vertex, no problem. But I am taking, generally, I go for 1. So that I am taking 1. Okay. After 1, explore it. Understand? Explore it. 1. Write it 1. Here also 1. 1. So explore 1. Okay. If explore 1, what are those? 1 explores 4, 2. Right? So 4, 2. Write it. 4, 2. So 4, 2. Okay. And next, explore anyone. So I am taking 4 here. So explore 4, 3. 3. Right here also 3. Right here also 4 explores. Right. Completed. Okay. And next, 3 explores. 3 explores. What are the corrected lines? So 2. Right? Already I visited. That's why you just dotted lines. Connected lines. Next. Any other? Yes. 10. 9. Okay. First I go to vertex 1. I explore 4, 2. Right? So 4, 2 I write it here. And if you explores 4, 3. Okay. 3 I write it here. Here also 3. Next, if 3 explores the connections, 3 to 2. Already 2 is there. That's why a dotted line I write it. And next 10, 9. So after 3 explores, what are those? 10. 9. Okay. So right. 3 explores. Sorry. Here, if you have a confusion, which one is next explore? By seeing this, you will explore, right? Which means that 1, I explore it completely. Next 4, okay, completely. Next, don't go for 3. Generally, you can take 3, but by using here Q, right? That's why after 1 is completed, next 4 is completed, next first in, first out, try. kadandi. That's why you go to 2 here. Okay, I am again telling that. Okay, so 1 it is completed. 1, 4, 2 is completed. 1 is completed. 4 is completed. Next, I am taking. We have to take 2 because here written. Okay, now right 2. 2 connecting lines are 2 explores what? 2 explores 3. 3. If I explore 4, what is the connection? 3. Okay, stop it. 4 is explores, right? I write it here. Next exploration is happen to 2. So 2 connections are 5, 8, 7, right? 7. Okay. Already 3 already we explore. That's why dotted line. Understand? So 2 explores, right? Close it. If 2 explores, what are the elements? 5, 8, 7. Okay. 5, 8, 7. Any other? 5, 8, 7. Okay. 3 already explores. Next exploration is, you take next exploration. So after 2, 3, 5, 8, 7. Write it here. Try it 7 also. Now, so 2 is completed, right? Next you take 5. If explores 5, 6 is there. Okay. 5 explores, 6 is there. 5 connections are 2. So already 2 connected. Next. 5 to 8 also is there. So dotted line because already visited. Next. 5 to 8, 5 to 7 also. So 5 to 7. Okay. 5 to 8, 5 to 7 is completed. 5 to 6 I have written. 2 to 5 already 2 visit. That's why dot. Okay. We written here. We explore that. Next. 5 to 8 is completed. 5 to 6 is completed. 5 to 7. 5 to 2 is completed. 5 to 7 completed. 5 to 8 okay. Completed ma. Next. Which one we have to explore next? 8. So you go 8. 8 connected lines are 2 already connected. And next 5 already connected. Next 7. So dotted line. Dotted line 8 is completed. 8 to 7. Any other connections? 8 to 5. 8 to, okay, completed. Next 5 completed. 8 completed. Next 7. You take 7. 7 connected with 2 is there. Already is there. Visited. Next 5 already is there. Dotted line. Next 8 also is there. Okay, completed. Next 7 is completed. Next, so 7 to 2 go back. 7 to 8 go back. 8 to 5 go back. 5 to 2 go back. 2 to 3 also go back. Understand? We explore all. Next, if you explore 3, 10. Okay, 10 is there any other connection? No. So if you explore 3, what happened? 10 is there. So write here also 10. Okay. I missed to write 6 ma. I missed to write 6. No problem. Write it here. Okay, I will. Okay, no problem. 3 to 10. 3 to again. Okay, completed. 10 completed. So if you 10 explores, no, nothing happened. So go back. Oh, it just explodes, right? Okay, I will tell again this BFS. I am ending this here. So 3 to 10 and 9. Right? 6 to 9. 10, 6, 9. Okay, completed. 10, 9, 6. Okay, all explorations are completed. BFS. I will tell BFS for this and DFS also. Thank you.